Now let's see this. A matching is a set of edges, so its size is equal to the number of edges in the matching, right? So what is it? What does it mean? Once you form a matching, you count the number of edges which are present in the matching. That is nothing but the size of the matching. Okay. Now, a maximal matching in a graph is matching that cannot be enlarged by adding an edge. So what does it mean? If you find out a matching and if you can't add one more edge into this matching without disturbing the property of the matching, then it is called as maximal matching. For example, if you look at this, I have taken this, see, this is the entire graph, and wherever I have drawn the parallel lines, it means that I am including those edges in my matching. Now this edge is included, this edge is included, this edge is included. Now after including these three edges, which means I have already included all the vertices, if you see, right? Now I can't add any more edges into our matching, right? Why? If I try to add this edge, then it is not going to be a matching, because already there is an edge with this vertex. Now again if I add this edge, it is also going to get this edge into this vertex into picture. Therefore this is a maximal matching, right? And also look at this one. Now assume that for the same graph I have taken this one as into my matching and I have taken this edge into my matching. Now after taking these two, I cannot add any more edges, because if I try to add this edge, there will be a conflict with this vertex because it is already present, right? And if I try to add this edge, there will be conflict with either this one or this one, right? If I try to add this one, there will be a conflict with this vertex. Therefore I cannot add any more edges and grow it bigger. Therefore what can I say? These two are maximal. So look at the word maximal. So what is a maximal? A maximal matching in a graph is a matching that cannot be enlarged by adding an edge, right? So according to the definition, these two are going to be maximal. And what about the maximum? A maximum matching is a matching of maximum size among all the matchings in the graph. Now look at the graph is same. Now in this graph, if I choose these three edges, then the size of the matching is going to be 3, and if I choose these two edges, the size of the matching is going to be 2. Now which one is larger? The 3 is larger, right? Therefore you can say that this is the maximum matching, right? So there is a difference between maximum and maximal. So every maximum matching is definitely maximal, but every maximal matching need not be maximum. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries, for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.